YouTube? We're back with another video, and today in this video we'll be installing my new graphic card into my desktop. Right here I have an RTX Founders Edition graphic card. As you can see, looks pretty nice, and we'll be installing this into this computer right here. And right there, that right there is a GTX graphic card. We will be replacing that with this right here. I have all the cables right here already set, and yeah, pretty much all we're gonna do is just flip this whole thing over, unplug a cable, and just unscrew some stuff, and then that's it. Right here, as you can see, we officially have the desktop flipped over. All we really need to do is pretty much just open the glass, unscrew the sides, take this off, and basically, pretty much just pull the graphic card right on out. Well, take the plug out, then pull the graphic card right on out, and that's it. Now, I've pretty much done this many of times with many different computers. Let me make sure I didn't lose that screw right there, or lose any of these screws. But yeah, I've done this many times, replacing graphic cards and stuff like that into computers, replacing RAM, replacing like fans, and adding fans into desktops. Pretty much did this a couple times, so I kind of have full confidence when doing this stuff. Now, after I'm pretty much done doing this, I'm gonna actually take that GTX and put it inside an older computer for someone else, and basically just let it get put to use by another person for work purposes, instead of just letting it rot. Oh, the freaking screw is stuck. Hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna just put the phone down. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm pretty much just gonna let someone use that GTX, and basically put it on retirement for how much work it just put my computer through. This is the part that I hate so much. I have to open this now, and if you don't know, the Montech X5 mesh, it has like these little pins at the bottom as soon as you pull it up, and I don't want to bend those pins. I bent them before. So basically, you pull this whole thing up, you unclip it. There's like two parts on this, on both sides, that like you clip on, and it snaps the case to make sure the case is locked. But yeah, I really hope I don't bend that part down there. And yeah, okay, I'm lifting it up. I hate this. See this part right here? I don't really like that, but yeah, it might be coming loose. I mean, I could put it back in. It's just a lot of work, Pretty much decided to just take the whole glass off. I'm gonna attach it back, but for now on, let's just focus on this right here and this only. But check out the thermal cooler. This is pretty dope, and all we really need to do is just take this off, pop this out, boom. I don't think I need to pop these out at the bottom. I probably don't. Yeah, if I do, then I would just do it. But other than that, I'm gonna just unplug this. So we got that unplugged. Just put that to the side, somewhere down there. And all we really got to do is just pull this out. So I'm going to put my phone down for a second. I didn't use my camera because, sorry for the noise in the background, I didn't use my camera because there's actually something wrong. Well, there's nothing wrong with my camera, but it's pretty much, my batteries are pretty much dead. And yeah, I don't have my strap on me, so I wouldn't be able to hold the camera around my arm and just let it record while it's just like right there hanging. And yeah, okay, so I officially took out the GTX. Man, I'm gonna miss this thing so much. Just look at it. Just look at that thing. I've had this thing for so many years, and before I had this, I had like a 7050, I think. Man, what does that say? Warning: the world's most powerful graphic card. Yeah, it was pretty strong. It held up an old system too before, so pretty big too. I'm gonna miss this thing. Let's install this RTX graphic card into the motherboard. Okay, so I successfully installed the GPU. I even plugged in the cables. I did have a little bit of a problem because this GPU was kind of hard to fit in here. And it wasn't all the space right here. Of course not. I could fit like a trio fan right here. A big trio fan. And it wasn't really that. It was more of like... Oh shoot, the power cord just fell. It was more of like this spot right here. Like under here. It was more of like that spot down there. Like it was just hard to fit. But I did eventually find my way. I budged it a little bit. And yeah, let's just pretty much test this. This thing is looking pretty awesome. Just look at that. This is looking mad awesome. Just look at this whole case. Like look at this. Look at this. So let's get everything screwed back up. That's one screw. Hold up. I just want to double check. See if I can fit the HDMI and display port. Okay, I can. All right, looks good. I need to add the rest of the screws in, which should be easier. Put this screw in. Okay. Got one more screw left. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed this or not, but the cable from the power supply, this one was probably sticking up earlier. As you probably saw earlier, it was like sticking up back here somewhere, and I kind of tucked it down here, you know. Yeah, no, it's nothing's pretty much it's not affecting anything. And yeah, this should be tight. Everything should be all right. And yeah, let's get the glass back on. And yeah, okay, so we got the glass back on. This thing is looking pretty nice. The next thing we need to do is just pretty much flip this over and plug everything in and just test this to see if the GPU is working and the light is working. And yeah, we successfully installed the graphic card. I am actually really excited to actually test this out, man. And yeah, here we go. I'm about to boot up the computer right now. Just look at it. I know it's kind of dark, but the reason why I have it dark is because I'm basically just about to light up the whole place. Once I push this button, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I forgot to flip the switch. Oh my goodness. As you see, I did the wire management and everything down here. So I basically plug everything back in. So you can see the thermal, right? Temperature reader is just, you know, loading. And you have my lights, everything. And yeah, by the click of this button right now, I present you the moment. I accidentally cut off the camera there. I present you the moment of truth. Is it gonna light up? Oh, okay, there we go. Wow, look at that. I guess it takes a second to just boot up and whatever. But yeah, look at that. Look at the light. It's actually on. RTX. GeForce RTX. Wow, look at that. Look at that nice graphic card, man. The PC booted up pretty fast. I just want to take a second to just look at this whole setup. This is insane. Look at this setup. Wow. This is wild. And this is not even the final upgrade either. In the future, I'm actually going to upgrade again. But yeah, look at this. Like, dude, the light. I know it sounds like I'm yapping right now, but just wow. I wonder if I could change the light sooner or later. But man, that is really nice. You know what? Take a screenshot. I need to take that plastic off sooner or later, so. But yeah, this is insane. I'm gonna actually install the software. I mean, not install the software. I already got the nvidia software. Look, update available. See, it just popped up right there. I'm gonna get some updates going, and I'll show you guys during that process. Let's open the nvidia app. Let's see what we got going on. For some reason, it doesn't want to log in ever. So, but let's just get that downloaded. Let's go to home. Update driver to access homepage. Okay, I guess I just gotta wait. Let's relaunch this. Now we can officially install. Here we go. Let's do Express. Just let that load. Wow. RTX. I've been stuck with a GTX for so long. I officially have an RTX graphic card, man. And this isn't my last either. I'm telling you right now, this isn't my last either. Look at the light. Like, this is some crazy stuff. Wow. Now, if you looked at my last video, I installed this right here, this thermal, right? I just installed this graphic card after uninstalling my other one that I installed in here at first for a temporary bridge until I got this one. But yeah. Okay, the screen just came back up. I wonder what new features I could do. Now I know I can use VR on my, well, I always could have, but no, I don't think my computer was VR supported before. Well, at least my old one. I know this new one is definitely. Okay, NVIDIA app is updating. Yeah, this new computer definitely supports VR. Okay, information not available. Currently offline. Just let that restart. Let the Wi-Fi go through. Let's see. Okay, wait, is it identifying? There we go. It worked. All right, so we have everything going on. Got everything working. Drivers. Let's see. Okay, home, graphics, system. Okay, everything. And yeah. But yeah, I pretty much got everything set. So yeah, that's pretty much it.